How many times have you wished your bank could do more than just hold your money? What if it could help you save, invest, and even learn about financial wellness, all without you having to lift a finger or be a seasoned Wall Street pro? For years, traditional banking has been, well, traditional. You deposit, you withdraw, maybe you get a loan. But in an increasingly digital world, where every aspect of our lives is becoming more integrated and intuitive, shouldn't our financial tools follow suit? We're not just looking for a place to store our cash anymore, we're looking for a partner, a guide, a system that understands our financial goals and helps us achieve them seamlessly. Think about it, most of us have a handful of apps on our phones dedicated to different financial tasks. One for banking, another for investing, maybe a budgeting app, and then a separate platform if you're trying to understand basic financial concepts. It's fragmented, it's time-consuming, and honestly, it can be a bit overwhelming. The cognitive load of switching between apps, tracking different balances, and trying to piece together your overall financial picture can be a major barrier to effective money management. This is especially true for those just starting their financial journey, who might feel intimidated by the complex jargon and seemingly endless options. Today, we're going to dive deep into something that promises to revolutionize the way many people interact with their money, the full Acorns banking experience. Now, you might have heard of Acorns before, perhaps as a micro-investing app that rounds up your spare change. And while that's certainly a core feature, Acorns has evolved far beyond just spare change investing. It's matured into a comprehensive financial ecosystem designed to help you save, invest, and even retire, all within a single, intuitive platform. It's a holistic approach to personal finance, aiming to simplify the often complex world of money management and make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their current financial literacy or net worth. This isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about building long-term financial health and security. So, what exactly does the full Acorns banking experience entail? It's not just an investment account, it's a checking account, a debit card, an investment platform, a retirement savings vehicle, and even a robust educational resource, all seamlessly integrated. Imagine a world where your daily spending automatically contributes to your investments, where saving for retirement is as simple as setting a recurring deposit, and where you can learn about compound interest or diversification in bite-sized, easy-to-understand modules. That's the promise of Acorns, and today, we're going to walk through every facet of that promise. We'll explore how these different components work together, the benefits they offer, and who this integrated approach is best suited for. We'll delve into the user interface, the fees, the security features, and essentially, provide you with a complete roadmap of what to expect when you embark on your own Acorns journey. Let's start with the foundation, Acorns Checking. This isn't just a placeholder for your money, it's designed to be your primary banking hub. When you sign up for Acorns Checking, you get a checking account with no monthly maintenance fees and no overdraft fees. That's right, no hidden charges for those unexpected overspends. This is a significant departure from many traditional banks that often nickel and dime their customers with various fees, especially those with lower balances. The debit card, powered by Visa, is sleek and functional, accepted wherever Visa is. But what truly sets it apart are the integrated features that link directly to your investing and saving goals. One of the most innovative aspects of Acorns Checking is the Earn feature. Imagine getting a percentage of your purchases automatically invested back into your Acorns Invest account when you shop at participating retailers. This isn't just cashback, it's invested cashback. Instead of just getting a few dollars back that you might then spend, this money is put to work for you, potentially growing over time. It's a subtle but powerful way to passively contribute to your investment portfolio without feeling like you're making a conscious effort to save. It's like your everyday spending is secretly funding your future. Next up, let's talk about the heart of Acorns, Acorns Invest. This is where your spare change roundups, recurring investments, and those earned rewards all come together to build your portfolio. Acorns employs a diversified portfolio strategy, meaning your money is invested across a range of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which hold various stocks and bonds. This diversification helps to mitigate risk, as you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You choose your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive, and Acorns automatically allocates your investments accordingly. This takes the guesswork out of investing, making it accessible even for those who have never bought a stock in their lives. The beauty of it is that it's all automated. You set it and forget it, allowing your money to grow over time, benefiting from the power of compound interest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.